Hey guys, welcome back. Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys BoxyCharm. This is February's BoxyCharm. I think there's 4 variations of this box. This is a $21 monthly box. I love it. There is a wait list though, so just keep that in mind if you do decide to sign up with them. I think it took me about 3 weeks to get off the wait list. So, hopping into it. This month we got a vintage smoky eye pencil in jet black. And excuse my other swatches on my hand. They're from different videos that I've been recording. So, not bad. And then we got a 3-piece crown brush set. Let me angle this a little bit better. Okay, we got a 3-piece brush set from Crown. So these are all great. Never have enough brushes. And then in my box, I got a cosmic blue glitter. That's the back. So I'm not going to open this part, but you guys can really see the glitter there. And then I got a Color FX Shimmer Vel, and this is an amethyst. And I'll go ahead and swatch this. I've heard really good stuff about this, and it is so pretty. So it's right there. Very, very pretty. And then last, I got the Naked Cosmetics highlighter palette, which I'm very excited about. I really wanted this. So I will swatch this in a separate video. But the colors look fantastic. Very, very excited about these. So, alright, and that will do it for the February BoxyCharm. Honestly, I thought it was a great box this month. I've been happy with BoxyCharm so far. Like I said, there is a wait list. So if you are looking to get on it, you might want to get on it now. I can't really tell you how long you will be on it. It just really depends. I was on it for about 3 weeks. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and leave this video here. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Hit the Pomeranian if you're not subscribed. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.